have to be a movie lover. Scherri-Lee Biggs is back with all of your weather details. Sherry, another hot day tomorrow.
Yes, well, we're heading for a top of 37 degrees before it cools down by the end of the week, Tomo. I'll have all the details coming up after the break. Welcome back. Well, strong winds this morning paired with today's heat created dangerous fire conditions, and we can expect much of the same tomorrow. It reached 37 degrees mid-afternoon. That sea breeze didn't quite make it into the city today, so it is still hovering around 33. But if we take a look at the map, while we wait for potential cyclone Marion to form, the Pilbara and West Kimberley have been pummeled overnight. We saw 120 millimetres fall Derby's way, and with isolated totals likely to exceed 200 mil this week, there is flood warnings in place for the Fitzroy and De Grey River catchments and the Sandy Desert and Pilbara catchments. But taking a look at the rest of the country, a morning storm in Sydney, 24 degrees, some patchy cloud about Melbourne, a cool top of 19, and cloud is clearing in Adelaide, a top of 25 degrees. To WA now, and today we learned that Broome experienced its hottest January on record. The warmest January days though felt in 30 years and the warmest nights since records began. Tomorrow they're expecting just a top of 32 degrees. But if we take a look south now, plenty of blue sky except for the central west and wheat belt where we could see some storms. Not much rain though if they do eventuate, and we're heading for 36 degrees in Geraldton. Looking around Perth now, and gusty easterlies in the morning about the hills. Midland is heading for 38 degrees while our coastal suburbs will be treated to a sea breeze, so a top of 35 degrees in Swanbourne. We'll start with a low of 23 degrees around inner city suburbs and a hot top of 37 to follow mid-afternoon. And even though it's a warm 34 degrees on Wednesday, this is when we can expect the cool change to come through. So a top of 32 degrees by Thursday, 30 on Friday, and then with the potential remnants of a cyclone moving in over the weekend, we could be adding 20 millimetres to the gauge. It'll be one to watch though, Tomo, because it is still early days, but I'll have all the details this week.
We could do with some rain. Sherry, thank you. That's 9 News for this Monday. Thanks for your company. A current affair is next. Enjoy your evening. Good night.